yes, please. Only for another class. Hey guys, welcome to another one. I'm on my way to a salon. From the previous vlog, if you remember, I bought a hairpiece, a French curl hairpiece, but like in color 30 so ish. I slept on it and I was like, do I want to do color 30 again? Because I did it. I'm gonna show you a picture here. I'm not sure anymore, so I might not come back with the hairstyle that I actually wanted. I can save that hairpiece maybe for next year or for someone else. But like it's like the color that I actually wanted was like the blackish and the goldish with the goldish ends, you know, not necessarily color 30. Color 30 is brown. And like Bendi and Zile, and I didn't like the hairstyle that much. So right now the problem is not the hairstyle, but it's the color. I'm worried about the color. So I'll just see Ubandi TV. Another thing that I want them to do for me is to trim my hair for me, you know. I'm taking a risk because I don't know whether they know how to or whatever, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm wearing this gray tracksuit. Guys, I know it has a stain. This stain is when I was still doing nails and each gel got on my thingy, and then in a thingy as well as Crocs, and I'm having my coffee. Then I'm going to head out. If I can I actually set the alarm for 6, but Sana ndivuke ngo 20:7 because I can't. Oh, my hair is dry. I'll introduce the vlog later. Finding an angle while shooting with a portrait to do a full body shot, very tricky. But anyway, I'm here to show you my outfit. It's a Monday. Kulungile baba. Magwidando yako. I'm just wearing these shoes from Foshini. I do not know. And then I got the skirt from, let me think. This skate. Oh, the hub in Trade Juice Mall. And then I got by the way, I use this EP perfume, Eden Perfumes. So now lama, yeah, the smaller perfumes, like honestly, whatever they are. I think it's a company code. So this vest, yes. And then I forgot where I got this headband from. The earrings are very simple. You see it when I'm speaking, and I have a close up and the usual watch. Nothing much, but I feel good. And then I'm also going to show you my nails and my hair when I'm in the car. But how you emsebenzini? Oh, every kupile mhumudini. Rela. So, with grace, we better do this thing, guys. Zihlobo. Hey, I couldn't. Why did I decide to step on a scale on a random afternoon? Because you weigh yourself in the morning, and that random afternoon is after over a week. Just but anyway, guys, I didn't greet y'all, and we have to do it in the car. Sani Bonani, and welcome to another vlog, guys. But welcome to another vlog. I hope you are back and willing to support me by subscribing, and that you are back and willing to like my video. It's a Monday, so I just posted the vlog before this one. Nina, I need like, guys, like, our channel is quite small, so even if like 19 people have watched, like 9 people have watched, and then none liked, I'm like, 19 yonke po like, and then the first ones to watch, awusazi, congratulate, no, you're one of the first people to watch something. Please like my videos, and also make sure that you're subscribed if you are not yet subscribed. If you've been coming back to me, waze wabaluleka empilweni yami, ngaze ngakuthanda, and thank you, I appreciate you so much. Sharp. And then now, guys, I have a dilemma, guys, because manje yabona unyaka uyaphela and mina ngibona progress, like, can you guys just share my videos? Like, I'm there now. I know sharing, I've explained how what sharing is, okay, how it is, but can you please just do it? If you are watching and uhlezi mfethu in your space, and you can just take a snippet of your TV while watching me, and then you tag me when you post on Instagram, or you tag me when you post on your Facebook, or anywhere, please mention me, even if it's your WhatsApp, guys. Please, like, I'm literally there. I'm going to need your genuine support to actually help this channel grow. Okwamanje sibonge labo abakhona futhi ngibatshele nje ukuthi ngiyaba appreciate. Thank you so much, darlings. The hair and nails that I went to do izolo, we are done. Here we are, looking very cute, feeling very good, going to the gym on a Monday. Nazi inzipho ke bafethu is going to be tricky for me. I don't want to say this, but if I have to be honest, I dislike them. Like, I also do nails and I pay attention to the detail. Why is the product touching my cuticle? Why is the product touching my cuticle? So I don't like that thing, but it's fine. It doesn't matter. This almond, and then it's like it goes fat somewhere. But yeah, I think I was just being too technical, and I didn't pay small money for this. So that's another thing. I think I'm feeling the way I'm feeling, and then from there, nala ekhanda ke lo wasekhanda uyangishaya. Wewa lo wasekhanda uyayazi nje into ayenzayo usisi, akadlali nje nekhanda lami. And on that note, okunye nokunye sizokubona, what do I mean ukuthi okunye nokunye sizokubona? I wanted to also explain ukuthi nje, I have an afro, but she's actually very good. And then nimcelile ubana makantrime izolo, wangtrima manga, but akunankinga, still ukwazile ukuthi azibambe bese zibe neat. And then she didn't even ask me. She did my hair ngo color 2 instead of color 1. But guess what? She really made a good choice. I was like, this girl knows what she's doing. This girl knows what she is doing. And guys, can you see ukuthi ndipletile with a hairpiece after how long? I cannot believe it. It is not bad, Sana. Yabo, the reason why I was not doing these hairstyles was because of hairline. But sesiqedile guys ukukhuluma okwamanje. Ngicela ni enjoy vlog. Sengifikile nami ejimini. Thank you for kungikhapha. I'll see you on the next clip. I love you.
The coach himself. She's taking a video of herself.
Wait, nah. Hi guys. It's stuck. I'm just here to check in. I'm just checking in. I am running late. Yeah, I'm saying obviously. Hey, food. What's happening here? Nothing. So Yeah, I'm just going to work and this exciting, so I just thought I should come and check in and then tell you guys where you're gonna see me at. I'm at grade 12 at camp for their final study, you know, before their exam, change of scenery, and. So that's where we're going today. But first, I'm gonna grab coffee and then get head to work. I am a bit early compared to the actual time that I leave the house because I do want to pass by the coffee shop and get some coffee. Yeah, that's it. Later, I'll show you what I'm wearing later. Honestly, it's basically nothing. Nothing at all. Not wearing nothing.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things do not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your passion. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love.
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving lately got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with. Man, I real quick when I'm at work non-stop. You know good for dinner when I come back. Sometimes good yeah, come out from that. If you walk and leave, yeah, me not come back.
You're falling, but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall hard. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, 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 cool Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things do not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your passion. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, 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 cool down,
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving lately got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with.
Guys, please ignore because I know that like I'm facing the sun directly. But anyway, I'm going to the gym, guys. Shame I couldn't vlog like the whole entire student venue, but it's very cute, because I just wanted to focus on work, and there was a problem with our time and everything. I'm just having this, like I just took this cup. I feel like a cup is a and I don't know how practical that is, so that I can take this magnesium fizzy It even has a vitamin C. Is this even a workout thing? I doubt. And guys, I really don't know what I'm drinking, but for some reason I've been thinking it's for energy. Have I been getting energy? If I've been getting energy and this is actually not for like energy, something that you can drink pre-workout, clearly it was my brain telling me about we are getting energy, because the mind can be very stupid. Howing Hulo Junior. Guys, like, first I work in the Val, so whether I like it or not, I will speak Isisuthu. Just like that, ndibuyile, and we are going to cook sizopheka, because ngizopheka now. That's why I need to see sizopheka. Today's class was so fun. Like, I really had fun. Like, I love it when I enjoy the workout, but working out is so uncomfortable. Like, it's not even a joke. But on the day when I have the stamina, maybe that thing is for energy. I still didn't check it. Maybe actually, because today I sana bendi mafulu bendingaziyekelanga. I love workouts that are like that. Shebo, unpack.
never do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on moving. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I can keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. And it all remains to say that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My baby, oh baby, and my heart can't take no more, no more, no more. My days are cold without you, and my heart can't take no more, no more. Alex, abs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause little boy of crying, it was never be alive. Did you ever want me? Was I happy with the boys a Leo? He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. But boys a Leo. Boys a Leo. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
See that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at.
You know, when I order coffee, I order extra hot, and luckily from Izolo, I still have this from yesterday. I don't know, this thing really makes a difference. Abang fagelang village. I feel like labosis abang hand because their faces are not welcoming at all. Like 6 hey, it's in the morning, and now I am running. I wanna say a bit late because it's gonna start sounding like I actually like being late to work, but it's never anything hectic. So okay, Friday, guys. Like I'm the weather. It's the weather. My issue is the weather. Oh, sorry, I have to clear my throat so much. I think I'm gateti the whole morning, so my voice is kind of shocked. Are we there already? Are we there? Yeah, but let me go to work. I'll see you guys again. I'm going to the same venue that I was at Izolo. Yeah. Abanye they're gonna go on Saturday and Sunday, but I just don't want to work on Saturday and Sunday. Without saying too much, I sip on my coffee and focus on the road.
Casino games, so do it right now. Lotto Star, your world of live games.
Lotto Star is licensed by the
I am here for a hike. Yo, yes, I left my handbag endlini thinking that like I'm just gonna moisturize in the car. The handbag is endlini. But anyway, I'm coming for a solo hike, guys. Like the weather is quite gloomy. It's very gloomy actually. And then when I was driving here like 2 minutes ago, it started drizzling and I'm like, and I wanted to do 10 kilometers, but now I'm here and I don't know, like I'm skeptical. Am I pushing it? I want to get used to hiking alone. But also I was like, let me not push it, because I know when I 10 kilometers takes quite a while and it's nice when you're doing it with someone. But I do have my headsets for some music and I came very early. Like I think it's just two minutes before not before, yeah, few minutes. Sorry, I got distracted. The securities were walking my way, so I thought so it's like about 2 minutes before 7 o'clock. I came in early because I know Ubana, when you come early then there's a lot of people, you know, like you won't be necessarily walking alone, and I can already see we are struggling to get in because of imoto isn't. I'm good. I just need to take my supplements and drink some water and eat a banana and put on a waist trainer. I haven't put on a waist trainer like for ages, so I hope it doesn't my energy off. Oh guys, I'm so glad I did this alone. It just reminded me of the idea that at the end of the day, life is it's a solo journey. Yes, you do need the support and everything, but at the end of the day, you really have to do it alone. I'm not taking the people that I had asked to go hiking with me today, but like it makes sense. You will get no's, yabo, and it is up to you if you just abort your missions because you can't do them alone. I'm not even talking about like getaways, vacations and stuff, but in things that you know in life are quite important to you, decisions that you really have to make, big decisions. You will not always get like the answers that you want from your friends, family, close people, close friends, but you have to do it alone, you know. So I'm going back now. Like, I couldn't even vlog. I'll show you a clip of the big rocks that I had to go through. It was so hard, but again, Briella Emva, the road is quite lonyana, and shame I missed a nice view that side, because I was thinking Bana will find another one, but now I can see Bana Iapela actually sharp. Guys, I'm done with the hiking. I'm just getting coffee. So I decided to go 2 minutes off route or 3 minutes off route, because I don't want anything else. I don't want anything else, guys. I strictly want a butterscotch from Seattle. I was like, I have to, because I'm planning to take a shower and go and work. Have some coffee and work or something like that. And then I'm not gonna come back the side where there's a Seattle coffee. So I was like, let me do this and get my butterscotch just for the pain. Guys, change of plans. So I was planning to go and work, find a nice spot to work at, but one of my friends is not feeling well, so I decided to just go and see her instead, because if I don't do that during the weekend, a chance again anzuyifumana. And I'm going with Upelor. I cannot decide if I want to keep this ponder up or can you let my head down. I'm gonna try both, and then from here I'm gonna pass at the mall to get some flowers. I don't know what to get. My mind is just saying flowers and wine. My mind is saying flowers and wine, but do you get wine for someone who's not feeling well? I'll see. Like, if I can't change or if I can't think of anything else, the girl will have to drink that wine when she feels better. I know her favorite wine. So yeah, that is the plan right now. Plana ki eu plan. The weather is still gloomy, like you guys have seen from when I was hiking. And then let me decide on this hair. But I'm really enjoying this hairstyle. I would shoe. Let me just let it down. I still like it when it's up. So I don't know if I showed you guys my outfit yesterday, but I just repeated this thing as well as in Islangu. I'm wearing this legging that basically also needs a tight underneath, but I do not care. I'm just gonna walk the mall with confidence. You see, I'm behind, like, it's, I don't know whether it's thin, but it's those tights that show even the smallest cellulite that you have. So I'm gonna wear that as well as this plus a long sleeve because akubandi kakhulu ne long sleeve emhlophe, and then I'm just wearing white socks and that. Let me go. Okay, I'm done. I'm just going to moisturize my hands, and then think about the bag. Which bag am I gonna take? If I wear this, I will be so blue because I never have anywhere to wear it. I remember for me to buy this backpack, like I got it at China Mall with my sister. I guess this one it's nude, and I just got influenced by her. I remember. So yeah, I think I will take it because I'm going to someone's house. Like I'm not necessarily going out. I'll just put a few things there. So that is my full outfit. I'll see you later, guys. Let me close off the vlog. Thank you so much for watching and even getting to this point. With my previous vlog, the vlog before this, I got 0 comments. She know my heart were too. Share know my heart, and please don't forget to like if you didn't like already, may you please, before you actually leave kindly like. And now I know I've always said there's no need for you to share, blah blah blah. I need you to share. I need you to share so that we can grow. But I do appreciate the people who have been coming back over and over again. You're really, really appreciated. And then if you were just checking me out and you're still not sure if you would like to subscribe or not, please consider that, especially if you've watched like this far. Don't deny it. If your heart is saying maybe or a yes, just went and just subscribe. I will really, really appreciate your support. Yeah, that's it. Bye. But there's still going to be another footage from here. You're just gonna see me maybe picking up flowers, and then from there all the way to my friend, and that will be the end of the vlog.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never